In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the camera storage to an SD card on your Samsung phone. This is useful if you want to save space on your phone's internal memory. Using an SD card allows you to store more photos and videos without worrying about running out of space. To get started, open the camera app on your Samsung smartphone. Next, look for the gear icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to access all available camera settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Storage Location. Tap on Storage Location, and you'll see two options appear: Internal Storage and SD card. Select SD card by tapping on it. This will set your SD card as the default storage location for all future photos and videos taken with your camera. And that's it. Changing your camera's storage location is quick and easy, ensuring that you have plenty of space for all those special moments captured with your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.